If the descale light appears on your Keurig K-Supreme Plus coffee maker, it means the brewer has detected mineral buildup inside its internal water system. This buildup usually comes from regular tap water and can affect brewing temperature and flow if left untreated. Running a proper descaling cycle clears the deposits and resets the indicator so the machine can operate normally again. The process is simple and only takes a few brewing cycles to complete. Try these. Step 1. Empty the water reservoir and fill it with Keurig descaling solution mixed with water according to the instructions. Step 2. Place a large mug on the drip tray and start the brewer in descale mode. Step 3. Run brew cycles without inserting a coffee pod until the reservoir is empty. Step 4. Refill the tank with fresh clean water and run several rinse cycles. Step 5. Continue brewing with clean water until the descale light turns off and the brewer returns to normal mode.